hatching right there. See these little pinchers? That is wild. Is it stuck? There's one that's hatched. And here's the larva right there. Wait, so are they larvae first and then the egg and then they hatch? Or how does that work? Are they the egg? Oh, look, it came out. It popped out. Oh, that thing is huge. What kind of bee is that? That is crazy. Oh, there's a fly in there. Check up on that other one that has a hatching. Look how big that is. It came out of that little egg. All right, well, that's enough for me. I'm gonna get stung.